In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Notion. Whether you're organizing your notes, creating templates, or managing projects, duplicating a page can be incredibly useful. We'll walk you through the process in just a few minutes, making it both efficient and straightforward. First things first, you'll need to log into your Notion account. Once you're in, navigate to the list of your pages on the left-hand sidebar. Take a moment to identify the page you wish to duplicate. It's important to ensure you're working with the right page from the get-go to save time and avoid any potential confusion. Next, hover your cursor over the desired page. You'll notice 3 little dots appear beside the page name. This symbol is often referred to as the Options menu or More Actions menu. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu, revealing a list of actions you can perform on the page. This menu holds the magic trick you need to duplicate your page. Within this menu, search for the option labeled Duplicate. By selecting this, Notion automatically creates an exact copy of your page. The new page will typically appear just below the original in your sidebar, with Copy appended to its name. It's like a virtual photocopy, preserving all the content, links, and formatting of your original page. Alternatively, suppose you want to access more detailed options or preview the page before duplicating it. In that case, you can click on the title of the page itself to open it. By doing so, you'll enter the full page view. It offers a more comprehensive look and might be preferable if you're dealing with a particularly complex or lengthy page. Once you're in full page view, shift your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll find another set of 3 dots there. Clicking this will provide you with a similar drop-down menu to the one you saw earlier. Again, locate and select the duplicate option from this list. Whichever method you choose, Notion's duplication feature makes reorganizing and managing content a breeze. It's worth mentioning that this action is non-destructive. The original page remains untouched, so feel free to experiment and iterate with your duplicated content without any worries. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a page in Notion. Remember, this process is not only an efficient way to share and back up your notes, but also an excellent way to refine your workflow across different projects. With practice, this will soon become second nature, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters: creating and organizing your content in Notion. Thank you for tuning in, and happy Notioning!